Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate the Taste music video scene on Dress to Impress. So I just put a bunch of outfits on. I put on the shirt that she has here and these jeans, and I just added these and colored them red. And I just added these. If you want to see, it's right here. Then you're going to select the apple and you're just going to color it the same outfit color, I guess. I'm just going to color it a dark color though here, and I'm just going to make it the rotten to the core. Select this bear, and I'm also going to color it like a dark color as well, and then I'm going to select the second one. Then you're going to get the code and you're going to select this one, and I'm just going to select the bounce, and I'm also going to turn off the axe here, and I'm going to color it the color of like the fence, I guess. And then I am going to select a pose from the mermaid pack, and I'm going to select the lagoon one, and it looks like she's impaled. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.